Seeking English, S.A.T. Workbook, page 403, problem 1. It says you may use a calculator, and I do recommend it in this case. There's a graph that, if you don't have the book, you're not going to see it. So if you don't have the book, get what you can out of this video, but you might miss the point. It has California, Texas, and total, support, oppose, and total. And there's something confusing in the graph I'm going to explain. Two groups of likely voters in California and Texas responded to a survey that asked whether they supported or opposed a ballot measure. The survey data were broken down as shown in the table above. Which of the following categories accounts for approximately 45% of all survey respondents? Now, if you look at the thing, you need to find what is all survey respondents before you do anything else. If you cannot find that, you're not going to be able to calculate this other thing. So if you see that there's a row that says total and there's a column that says total. Okay, and those are the same for a good reason. That is total survey respondents, but it does not say that explicitly. The number in there is 1538. Okay, and if you take that number and you calculate it, multiply it by 45%, you should get this number, 692.1, which is a fractional person. Oh no! So you're looking for a number on the graph that is closest to this number. Looking on the graph, numbers are 659, 194, 853, 186, 499, 685, 845, 693, 1538, and 994. This problem could have been more confusing, but it wasn't. The number 693 is different from this number by 0.9, so it's pretty close. 0.9, 0.9, yes. So that should be your answer, and that is, out of these choices, which is it? Respondents who are likely voters from Texas and oppose the measure. No, that's not where it is. It says respondents who are likely voters from California who support the measure. Nope, that's not where that number is. All respondents who are likely voters from Texas. Yes, that appears to be correct. And all respondents who are likely voters from California. No. So part of this is calculating that number. The other part is locating the correct answer on the graph. What could go wrong? What could go wrong is below this data is a thing that says respondents for and against measure 994, but it does not have a colon. The 994 is not a number of people. It's the index number of the ballot measure. That is what could go wrong. It's underneath, almost directly underneath the 1538. So that has confused a few of my students, and the first time I saw it, it momentarily confused me. And it did waste some of my time, so it could do that. So again, this is the math isn't that complicated, especially if you have a calculator. Making sure that you've read the graph correctly is the dangerous part. And again, teacher, is that fair? And again, I have to say irrelevant. What you think is fair and what I think are fair are irrelevant. You have agreed to take the test, and I have agreed to make sure you get the maximum number of points. So I'm telling you, on the real test, look out for something like this. Something like this is going to happen, and you need to be looking out for it. Thank you.